In today's video, I'm going to teach you Customize Cart Page Shopify Dawn. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head to Online Store in the left sidebar. This is where all of your theme design work happens. Open your current theme in the editor by choosing Edit Theme. That launches the visual editor so you can preview your storefront and adjust settings side by side. At the top of the editor, use the Page Selector to jump to your cart. This makes sure we're editing the cart experience directly, so you can see changes as they apply. With the cart view loaded, look for the Theme Settings panel where the cart behavior lives. In Dawn, you can choose how the cart opens. Select Drawer as the cart type. A cart drawer slides in over the page instead of sending customers to a full cart page, which helps keep them engaged and moving toward checkout. Once you've chosen Drawer, click Save. Always get into the habit of saving immediately after you change a global setting like this. Next, let's preview how it feels from the shopper's perspective. On the empty cart screen, use the built-in link that invites customers to browse your latest products. That takes you to a featured collection, so you can continue the flow naturally. Open any product from that collection to view its details. This step isn't about changing the product, it's simply a convenient way to confirm that the drawer behavior follows you across the storefront. Back in the editor, use the same Page Selector at the top again if needed to surface the Cart Settings panel. Double-check that cart type is still set to Drawer. Shopify saves this as a theme-wide preference, but it's good practice to confirm while you're previewing a product, because customers often add to cart from product pages. Click Save to lock it in. To be thorough, open the cart settings one more time, verify Drawer is selected, and hit Save again. This final pass ensures your changes are fully committed and consistent across templates and preview states. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Consider testing in a duplicate of your live theme so you can experiment safely before publishing. After saving, preview on desktop and mobile to confirm the drawer looks clean and doesn't cover important content. If you ever want a more traditional flow, you can switch back to a full cart page using the same setting. And remember, saving after each change prevents accidental rollbacks when switching pages in the editor. That's it. Your Dawn theme is now set to use a sleek cart drawer for a